Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to redeem reward points on Domino's Pizza. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Domino's Pizza application. Now, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or of course if you do not have one, you can go and register to Domino's Pizza. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have the application where you can go and change your address and click the Order Now button. In the top left corner, we have the, as you can see, again, Order Now button, the pizza tracker, profile, legal notice, data privacy, TNCs, and Domino's more. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and redeem reward points on Domino's Pizza. Well, to do so guys, you need to go once you reached 20 points or 40 or over 60 points, so you need to go and earn that amount of points. You just need to click redeem button in your app or online dashboard to add a free rewards item based on the points being redeemed to your cart. So basically that's how you can do it. This reward can be redeemed online for use at all participating Domino's locations. So basically, you can do it in all Domino's locations in your area and country that you have, of course, selected. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to go and like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as this guys really helps us grow our channel. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. As I said, I hope that you of course enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll hope to see you in the next video that I'll be making. Bye guys.